I don't know what's going on. I'm just sneezing my life away this morning. Oh my God. So, y'all haven't sneezed while y'all been on the toilet? I feel like you're about to sneeze your whole entire insides out. I swear to God. All the extra pee came out. I almost sneezed my booty hole out. I was like, oh my God. I don't know if I like this. But I'll tell you one thing. I feel free. Free. Free.